Sino gusto mo sa akin? Gauntlet. Wala tayong carry. Mahina naman ang KDR niya. Ewan ko, may MKO. May gauntlet naman eh. Ayaw mo, Fred. Gusto ko yung gauntlet. Mahirap, wala tayong carrying hard. Paano ako mid? No. Kaya na nun. Sino yung MK o Fred? Fred kasi pwede din MK kasi magano eh. O ano na lang. Wala tayong suicide, yun ang problema. Tingin mo. Wala tayong pwedeng may suicide eh. Ayun o. Miracle sana ako, maganda. Ng card type ko din yun eh. Ano? Yun o.
Brother Fenris is still out
Ito
there
yung suicide,
somewhere.
yung problema.
I must remain vigilant. A step in the right direction. I anticipate receiving more guests. My path is set. For my father. I must remain vigilant. My path is set. I anticipate receiving more guests. Beware. A step in the right direction. For my father.
Wala yung ano yung ulti ko. Papasok yan kay Tempest.
A step in the right direction. For my father. I anticipate receiving more guests. For my father. Every death has a place in one of the 9 realms.
Suicide yan. Hindi. Hindi ito sa main.
I must remain vigilant. For my father. Is it time? A step in the right direction.
Durog yun sa'yo. Ingat ka lang sa Tempest. Hanggang niya. Hanggang kaya. Lugi ka na.
For my father. Beware, an Aesir comes. I answer death with death. A step in the right direction. My path is set. A step in the right direction. Beware, an Aesir comes. For my father. A step in the right direction. I anticipate receiving more guests. A step in the right direction. direction. My path is set.
Nagdaan ako sa
Step
avatar
in the
na
right direction.
laban. Yung may ibon.
I anticipate receiving more guests.
Yung magician. Richard Dang yung may ibon.
My path is set. Every death has a place in one of the 9 realms.
Don't need.
For my father,
Lugi ako dito.
my path is
May
set.
babawi ako.
I must remain vigilant.
Game ko yung first kid. Hanggang
I step in the right direction. I miss my father's embrace. Every death has a place in one of the 9 realms.
ha?
I anticipate receiving more guests.
Huwag na!
For my father,
May ano ko eh. May...
I
Meron
anticipate
na ako.
receiving more guests.
Buti na ako.
In the right direction. Father's power courses through me.
Tipi na.
For my father,
Hey, ang laki ng perang yun.
I anticipate receiving more guests.
Gamit ng ano, 1-4 na kagad ng pera ng...
I must remain vigilant.
Wala kasi vision doon. Kunin mo na yung ano, kunin mo. Hindi. Nakakuha ko yung ano lang yung... Ang Ronel sa kaya, no? Invi. Nakuha niya.
Brother Fenris is
Hindi.
still out there somewhere. Every death has a place in one of the 9 realms. I await your words.
Ang swerte ko talaga.
Is it time?
Kunin mo na lang yung pot sa'yo na yun. Hindi ko kailangan.
I anticipate receiving more guests.
Mali pa yung pinuntahan niya eh. Sa top siya punta eh.
For my father, a step in the right direction. Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere. For my father,
Isa pang level, dead ka na sa
I
akin.
must remain vigilant.
Kung mag-alala, patay ka na. Sabi niyo naman mga
My path is set. I answer death with death. Courses through me. My path is set. I answer death.
Takot siya eh. Kasi makalapit.
A step in the right direction.
Hindi ko natamaan yung tayo.
Father trying to fight back. Father's power courses through me. I answer death with death. My path is set.
Hindi ko tayo sa mga eh.
I anticipate receiving more guests.
Meron na ba akong pera?
My path is set.
100 tapos 125.
Tell
Isa
me
pa.
why they're trying to fight back. I must remain vigilant. For my father,
Kunin mo na yung stop. Kunin mo na yung stop. Puta ka stop.
a step in the right
Tayo
direction.
natin to.
Is it time?
Kunin mo lang yan ha. Dito ako
I
sa
must
buta.
remain vigilant.
Kunin mo na yan. Kunin mo kanina yan.
My path is set.
Ganyan naman to. Sit na to.
I must remain vigilant. Fenris is still out there.
Kulang ako bitin ako mana.
I anticipate receiving more guests. I must remain vigilant. For my father, every death has a place in one of the 9 realms. My path is set. Beware, an Aesir comes. anticipate receiving
Never
more
mind.
guests. I must remain vigilant. For my father. My path is set. For my father. I anticipate receiving more guests. A step in the right direction. Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere. For my father. I anticipate
Kaya
receiving
ako
more
natasabayan.
guests. My path is set. For my father. I must remain vigilant. You are destined to Nordstrom. I anticipate receiving more guests. Step in the right direction. I must remain vigilant. For my father.
Talong ka dito, dali, talong
I
ka.
must remain
Ano,
vigilant.
tingin mo dyan, tsaka lang. Kunin mo yan, kunin mo yan. Ano yan?
A step in the right direction.
Okay, kunin mo yan.
I
Kaya mo
anticipate
papatay niyan,
receiving
wala
more
pa akong
guests.
skill eh. Patay mo na.
My path is set. I anticipate receiving more guests.
Ano level ba ng ano mo, course mo?
For my father. My path is set.
Patay, hindi mo buhay.
I anticipate receiving more guests. I must remain vigilant.
Login.
I await your words.
Login na yun sa ano eh.
Aesir comes. For my father.
Login na yun sa line-up eh.
My path is set.
Ngayon, score mo ba sa top?
For my father. I must remain vigilant.
Unahin ko muna ng ano,
A step in the right direction.
investment at mapagsabayan ako dito.
For my father.
Tatang ko to.
I miss
In
my
Tempest,
father's embrace. I anticipate receiving more
Galang.
guests.
Yeah.
For my father.
Lala lang, yun lang.
A
Kulang
step
lang.
in the right direction. I must remain vigilant.
Take ko lang CD. Taka lang dito,
I anticipate receiving more guests.
Ba't ako?
For my father.
Atras na. Naabutan ako na radon eh. Daya naman na na yun.
I anticipate receiving more guests. I must remain vigilant.
Daya talaga ng mga yun. Kala ko 1 versus 1 lang eh. Sabi ko naman kailangan ko ng investment dun eh. Tapusin ko nga muna yung gamit ko para hindi ako malogi dito.
I miss
Oo,
my
2-0 na
father's
siya.
embrace.
Rechitan, naka-recover na rin eh.
My
Ay,
path
di
is
ba?
set.
May MB yan, may MB.
Is it time? I must remain vigilant.
May warded yata dyan, no? Ingat ka.
I await your words. My path is set. I must remain vigilant.
Recover sila doon kanina eh, sa clash natin yun.
My path is set.
Straight ta, kahit ta. Oh, sunda ka lang kita na. Oh,
I
lata na
miss
niya.
my father's embrace.
Diyan umikot ka sa pataas. Wala pa akong ano doon. Kailangan ko talaga ng sapatos. Wala ka kasi ng sapatos na maganda. Kung maganda akong sapatos, kaya.
I must
Ay,
remain
lugat tayo
vigilant.
dyan. Parang warded dyan. 3, 2, 1, go.
You are destined to Nordstrom.
Anong course mo na?
I await your words. Father's power.
Wag na. Atras na tayo ah.
A step in the right direction.
Ah. Hindi rin naman kaya yun. Kailangan ko nito lang yung ano ah.
Every
May ulti
death
ako, ah.
has a place in one of the 9 realms.
Wala, naka-imbini yata ito. Kunin ko na lang ron. Parang word eh. Tsaka na random.
I miss my father's embrace. Is it time? My path is set.
Bili na ako TP
I
para
miss
maganda.
my father's embrace.
Enemy hero missing.
For my father. Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere. I must remain vigilant. I miss my father's embrace. My path is set. I must remain vigilant. For my father.
Patay na nga kita. Wisit ka.
Your father trying to fight back.
Disable ka eh. Hindi ka disable, hindi kita. Ha?
I must remain vigilant.
Hindi galing tayo sa tabi, kaya kita tayo.
My path is set. I anticipate receiving.
Ah, sayang. Kita
My
niya ako
path
eh.
is set. I must remain
Umawi na
vigilant.
sa akin yan ah.
My path is set. I anticipate receiving.
Wag muna push, siya muna. Mabababa pa yata ang farm ng ano. Pag pinush kasi mawawalang ano eh.
Has a
Farm.
place in one of the 9 realms.
Sige, atakin ko dali. Patay na yan, dito na lang ano. Request mo ba to? Atras na nas! Atras na! Hindi mo na request yung isa. TP ako pag kailangan ah.
Is it time?
Hindi ko alam kung nasa naroon. Wala pa pala akong ano, kaya naman pala wala akong investment. Baba ko na lang itong.
Enemy hero missing.
I anticipate receiving more gas. Step in the right direction. I anticipate receiving more guests. My path is set.
Ingat kayo nas, ingat kayo.
For my father.
Ah, ako pinuro talaga. Ow! Tumama pa yun?
Words. A step in the right direction. Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere.
Ito akong gagalawin niya yun eh.
I miss my father's embrace. Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere.
Wala ngayon. Patayin mo ngayon ako. May basement ako.
For my father.
Wala.
I anticipate receiving more guests. My path is set.
Wawa yung...
Is it time?
Word 2 na yung ano ah. Nakabawi na yung...
I anticipate receiving more guests.
Richard Dog.
I must remain vigilant.
Daya kasi. Tignan mo nga kung ano nasa
I
taas.
anticipate receiving more guests.
PK ko. Kunin mo na. Hindi ko
I
kailangan.
must remain vigilant. For my father. I anticipate receiving more guests. A step in the right direction. My path is set.
Hindi, okay lang. Yung binawasan ko lang.
I
Ilaban man.
anticipate receiving more guests.
Hindi ko makaya patayin niya ng isang combo.
Wait me, I don't. Wait me, I don't.
Every death has a place. For my father,
Wala, inorti ko na para sigurado eh.
father's power courses through me.
Sige lang. Sige.
In the right direction.
Piki ako ah.
My path is set.
I-atras ka muna, huwag kang frontline. Hindi nakita ko dyan eh. Atras na ako ah. Yan. Likod ka lang, ikaw ang standard namin.
My path is set.
Andyan, dyan ako. Ano ako lang is.
A step in
Bilis
the right
to.
direction.
Tap naman tayo.
I anticipate receiving more guests. For my father, I await your words. A step in the right direction. I anticipate receiving more guests.
Tablet muna ikaw.
For my father,
Gang tayo sa forest.
is it time? I must remain vigilant.
Dito pa rin
A
Tempest.
step in the right direction.
May wide ka
For
ba?
my father,
Yan, may wide na.
I must remain vigilant.
Dito, mag-wide ka dito.
My path is set. A step in the right direction. I
Tatlo yan.
anticipate
Kailangan natin.
For my father,
Ingat, kailangan natin si Lejo. 5 sila dito.
every death has a place in one of the 9 realms. I anticipate receiving more gifts. I must remain
Ingat
vigilant.
ka. Wala tayong Lejo. Tingnan natin Lejo. Nandiyan na. Lejo.
A step in the right direction. For my father,
Ang ganda nung tinitempest doon.
I anticipate.
Ang daya, naunahan tayo doon. Kamali ako doon. Na-target na nila ako. Kamali din ako doon. Sabi ko, babalik muna ako eh. Mali pala dapat ako doon. Sabi ko, hinintay ko muna. Dapat hindi ko ultiin yun eh.
My path is set. I must remain vigilant. My path is set. For my father, Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere.
Oh, 3. Unahan muna ako.
I must remain vigilant.
Punta siya bot. Diretso sa bot. Una ka.
For my
Kailangan.
father,
Nakita ka. Oh, nakita ka.
a step in the right direction. Is it time? I anticipate receiving more guests.
Sana eh. Kung hindi ka nakita doon sana sa kabila ka dumaan, dead yun.
I anticipate receiving more guests.
Why did dyan? Dito ka dumaan sa kabila ka.
I miss
Dito
my
tayo
father's
dumaan.
embrace.
Dito ka dumaan. Pasok tayo sa kabila.
For my father, Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere. I must remain vigilant. My path is set.
Sige, pasok pa. Nagkaka-ward
My
lang dito.
father.
Sa top ka lang yan, doon ka naman.
I anticipate receiving
Ito.
more guests.
Wala.
I
Wala
must remain
dito.
vigilant. I anticipate receiving more guests. My path is set.
Ano, push natin to eh.
For my father.
Ba't mag-push na pa tayo dito ng ward eh? Para kita
I
natin
must
ang ano.
remain vigilant. My path is set. For my father. I anticipate receiving more guests.
The ward up. Ang hirap nito, dapat hindi natin push ta.
For my father.
Ewan ko.
I anticipate receiving more
Ayun na nga, sa likod mo. Atras ka lang. Tulungan kita.
My path is set. Step in the right direction.
Course mo, may course ka ba? Sino na course mo? The Tempest? Asok! Legionnaire!
I only die with you.
Get dumpster. Yeah.
Wala, noob ng Legion natin.
Is it time?
Diyan ako pag-farm ng ayos.
I anticipate. For my father. My
Curse
path
mo.
is set.
Yung isa dapat ang curse mo.
Beware.
Kung walang pantalo.
Aesir comes. A step in the right direction. I anticipate receiving your gift. Is it time? I must remain vigilant. I anticipate receiving more guests. A step in the right direction. My path is set. For my father. I must remain vigilant.
Eh,
For my father.
ba't kinuha mo? Nandiyan na ako eh.
My path is set.
Okay lang, may stun ako. May ulti ako. May PK ako eh.
I
Hintay ko lang.
anticipate receiving more guests. For my father. I answer death with
You're a madman now.
step in the right direction.
Stun!
An Aesir comes.
Huwag na.
Like that.
Dapat di mo ako tinablit eh. Bigat pa ako.
I must remain vigilant. My path is set. For my father. I anticipate
Oh, ah!
remain vigilant.
Go sila lahat.
I anticipate receiving more guests.
Good.
A step in the right direction.
Naubusan ako ng mana, manadyan. May kamaganti ward pag walang tao.
My path is set. I must remain vigilant.
Wag na, wag na. Wag na yan dyan sa... Wag ka na mag-guard dyan. Wag ka na mag-guard dyan.
My path is set.
Dito lang sa kabilang side. Dito ako mag-guard, oh, para kita natin.
I must remain
Huwag ka
vigilant.
mag-shadow, mag-push yan mo na yan. Hindi na kailangan. Ubus na rin yung
Step in
buhay
the
ng
right
tower, eh.
direction. For my father. I anticipate receiving new guests.
Parang gusto kong
Brother
mag-heals,
Fenris is
eh.
still
Para
out
kay
there somewhere.
Tempest.
For my father.
Ah, hindi nga. Heals lang nag-top cut. Kawawa yung mag-eh. Na-blind.
I miss
Oo,
my
bigay
father's
siguro.
embrace. My path is set. A step in the right direction. Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere.
Kung ano naman yan, kaya sumama na si Ledger, nagsisi tayo eh. Panalo kayo tayo sa TV, sa win kanina, kung hindi na ano siya. Wala eh, tinalunan niya lang kayo si Tempest kanina, isang tao lang kayo tinalunan niya.
You are destined to know some. I answer death with death. I must remain
Artesia,
vigilant.
alam mo ginagawa kay Artesia? Nag-PK ako doon sa may mga puno, doon ako nag-ulti. Go mortal yung aking skill ko.
Father's power courses through me.
Kailangan ba natin ng ano?
To know some.
Ano muna ako, bulwark?
For my father,
Wala.
I await your words.
Bulwark na ako. Diretso akong Hex para maganda.
Aesir,
Illusion yan.
Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere.
Attack the structure.
Tigurias na nga ako.
I answer death with death. My path is set.
KB? Hindi, mas maganda yan, no?
For my father,
BKB or something na... Gusto ko nga mag-ano eh,
I
down
must
finger
remain
eh.
vigilant.
Parang...
I await your words.
Dito?
For my father,
Ah, may slow na to eh. Pangit na yung Savage me siya.
a step in the right direction.
Curious muna nga ako. Umaya ko na yan. Panghuli na yung
For my
damage.
father,
Stuck mo pa?
Beware.
Laban mo ng TP.
Beware.
Lalaban ba ako sa bot?
Beware.
O hindi na?
Aesir comes. I must remain vigilant.
Ayoko ng TP eh. Didi.
I answer death with death. For my father,
Pasukan natin? Gusto mo?
Beware.
Wag na, tatlo pala.
I must remain vigilant.
Go, we have double.
Yan mo, atras na.
For my father,
Ayan, sabi sa'yo eh.
I anticipate.
Ato kay, stun mo ko. Wretched dog. Laban naman ang inas. Hindi pala yan, siya pala yan. Siyang kinid ang ginamit kay Mokong na ano. Ano? Wala siyang mana. Bumalik na.
Anybody home? Hello?
Ah. Ang tagay.
Is it time?
Naka-ulti ako eh. Hindi ako na-ulti doon, dead ako.
A step in the right direction.
Ano,
I miss my father's embrace.
Hellbound Tower!
I anticipate receiving more gas.
kailangan ko lang talaga magpakunat pa na konti. Gusto ko papakunat na lang kaganin ko para makatagal lang. Doubt na pick.
My path is set.
Wala nga, ano naman patay ng patayin eh. Nung kaya nun.
For my father.
Tempest lang kaya yung nagdadala sa
Still
kanila.
out there somewhere.
Hindi lang marunong.
My path
Naka
is
ilang ulti
set.
na kaya yung Tempest, ang ganda kaya ng mga ulti.
A step in the right direction.
Wala lang dumarating na support ang mabilis eh.
For my father. My path is set. I anticipate receiving more gas. My path is set.
Kaya mo na. Kalimutan ko.
I miss my father. I anticipate receiving more gas. A step in the
Namatay
right
kasi ako
direction.
kanina dun eh.
I answer death with death. I anticipate receiving more guests. For my father,
Kailangan.
I must remain vigilant. For my father. My path is set. I'm stepping in the right direction. Every death is a place in the 9 realms.
Ah! Gigil mo lang ako.
For my father. My path is
Tapos
set.
makuha ako. Hindi mo alam.
For my father. Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere. I must remain vigilant. I anticipate receiving more guests.
Nakakatawa naman yung Ari na nanonood sa atin habang hindi nagpa-farm or hindi na walang ginagawa. Ulti kagad! Ulti! Doon pa ulit dumaan. May Envy naman pala, hindi kagad ginamit. No.
Size and attack!
Okay, tapos ulti.
Hellbound has deployed Ancient Tower!
Kung nandun lang siya kanina, may DPS tayo eh. Wala nang DPS eh.
Every death has a place in
Kunin
one
niyo
of the
yung
9 realms. I await your words.
Someone likes to get
I must
spanked.
remain vigilant. Brother Fenris is still out there
Okay,
somewhere.
tsaka
For my father. A step in the right
pinabilis.
direction. I must remain vigilant. A step in the right direction.
Get there.
You are destined
Great
for
eh.
my father. I anticipate receiving more guests. For my father. I anticipate receiving more guests.
Wala na. Wala, rapalayo. Kala ko
I
sino.
must remain vigilant.
Hindi ra yun.
A step in the right direction. I await your words.
Wag na, farm na ulit. Back to farm na ulit. May na try na lumaban.
My path is set. I anticipate receiving more guests.
Ang daming farm na harap na eh. Hindi naman na sumasama sa ating ayos eh.
Step in the right
Susota na.
direction. receiving more guests.
Wala lang siya kanina kaya tayo natalo eh.
My path is set. For my father. A step in the right direction.
Invisibility.
For my father. I answer death with death. My path is set.
Andiyan pa yung Tempest.
I must remain vigilant.
Dapat ngayon ang pagkakataon natin mag-push.
Is it time?
Lumaligin.
My path is set. Don't bother trying to fight me. I anticipate receiving more guests. I must remain vigilant. A step in the right direction.
Oh!
For
Tayo
my
ang gano'n.
father. A step in the right direction. For my father.
Ay, maliit na.
A step in the right direction.
Ingat dyan, ha?
I await your words. My path is set. A step in the right direction. For my father. Is it time? I must remain vigilant.
Wala ka pala.
Every death has a place in one of the 9 realms. A step in the right direction.
Hindi, pupusyahan na tayo.
I must remain vigilant. I miss my father's embrace. Every death has a place in one of the 9 realms. I anticipate receiving more guests. I must remain vigilant.
Okay, let's do
I
some.
anticipate receiving more guests.
Ano naman dyan sa
For my
kabila?
father.
Diyan mo sa gitna. Yan.
I anticipate receiving
Okay,
more
slow ko
guests.
dito. Dali, may slow ko aking ano.
My path is set.
Ang ganda. Natingin mo ang ano.
Akam, we need them. We need them. Rock.
Ang ganda talaga pag may gadget sa ano yung kung nagkakaw mo. Hindi, tingnan mo yung attack niya. Yung parang oink, ang bagal.
Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere. My path is set.
Kaya nga, attack speed ang hero ko eh.
I await your words. For my
Mage, mas
father.
maganda. Saan mas magandang?
Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere.
Ay, gusto ko nga Dawnbringer eh. Para may bilis man ako kahit konti.
Is it time? I anticipate receiving
Sayang! Nandun si Jonas, patay na yun eh.
I anticipate receiving more guests. I must remain vigilant.
Teka lang.
A step in the right direction.
Ay, mali tuloy. Dati nuna mo ako.
For my father.
Para pagka ano, mahirap
I
kaya sta nito.
anticipate receiving more guests.
Okay, I go.
A step in the right direction. I anticipate receiving more guests.
Ay, mabawasak na baka ito. May token naman eh.
A step in the right direction. I
Yeah, may ulti na ako, hindi ko lang
anticipate
ulti
receiving
ka.
more guests.
Ward mo nga doon sa may advance.
For my father.
Doon ka sa kabila tumamag-ward. Sa kabila ka mag-ikay. Di ba tayo na yan?
For my father.
Gas, masakit yan. Masakit na! Tony! Hindi ka na, Gas!
My power is spent.
Ay, bakit dyan? Huwag dyan! Mali! Mali yung tap.
I must remain vigilant.
Mali!
my father.
My God!
I die.
I anticipate receiving more guests.
No fucking mana to ult.
I must remain vigilant. My path is set. I anticipate receiving more guests. A step in the right direction.
Love muna siyang kinate para maganda.
My path is set.
Takot na takot talaga tong may ano.
I anticipate receiving more guests. My path is set. I must remain vigilant.
Nandog naman ito, hindi si Arachna. Takot na takot.
Every death has a place in one of the 9 realms. I miss my family's embrace.
Andog talaga no, bubwisit na ako ah.
I await your words. My path is set. I anticipate receiving more guests. A step in the right direction.
KTKD kaya yan. Na-farm lang yan sa boot kaya magandang ganyan.
Brother Fenris is still out there
Hindi,
somewhere.
binibis ako mo ng takbo. Gusto ko nga dapat ano eh, Shark.
Father's power courses through me.
Ano mag-guard kasi ang mabilis na.
I anticipate receiving more guests. A step in the right direction.
Kaya din. Ganda kaya na ano niya. Hindi ka makaka-ulti. Ewan ko lang kung makaka-ulti ka. Ha? Atas ako na! Tan! Andog talaga ng arap na ito kahit kailan. Yung online dapat hindi siya mag-ano eh. Malakas ang attack niya eh. Hindi mo siya na-attack eh.
Father's power
Makancel ko na nga mga ulti ni Tempest. Ang ganda kaya ng mga ano, ni Tempest. Tempest tinatarget ko. Dito rin sila makaporma.
for my
Hindi
father.
nga.
My path is set.
Ba't ako pasok ka dyan?
I must remain vigilant. For my father. You are destined to Nordstrand. I anticipate receiving more guests. For my father.
Ayan.
My
Ang kasi.
power is spent.
Pasok, Legionnaire! Ganda, yan ang maganda.
You are destined to Nordstrand.
Atras na Nas!
Fight back.
You're alone.
Step in the right direction.
You're alone. Kita ko ng parang ng Legionnaire eh. Paano sa si Gandalf kung i-carry mo maganda rin sa pang... Pero kahit ako muna... Pero dapat pala na gano'n muna ako, Shrunken Head, tapos yun, para sa lahat na. Kasi kung hindi naman ako na-Shrunken Head, sa late game, hindi na makapasok yung mga skill ko eh. Slow ko na. Slow kaya na-slow ako, super kaya slow sila.
Is it time? I must remain vigilant. I anticipate receiving more guests. For my father. My path is set. Death has a place in one of the 9 realms. Beware, an Aesir.
Noob kaya, pinahuli pa yung ano ha.
A step in the right direction. My path is set.
Hindi, ginamit yung ano, yung Shrunken Head, pagkatas pumatay na.
Father's power courses.
Oo, pero yung slow at least makakagalaw siya.
For my father.
Mali pa yung palakad niya, papunta pa talaga para eh. Di lalo mo binigay siya ng
A
advantage.
step in the right direction. My path is set.
Di pa rin ang buhay ko, 2K.
I must remain vigilant.
Hindi ko ano, sinisave ko na yung ulti ko, hindi ko ginagamit agad. Kaya time press ko gamit.
For my father.
Manginis na tayo, wala ako.
My path is set. I anticipate receiving more guests.
Oo, abot, hindi na sila makalapit.
I answer death with death. For my father.
Ito na naman!
For my father.
Lumawa ba naman sa akin yung maligid? Terus Nas! Ala niya. Abe, nakuha na naman namin yung tower. Ako naman.
I await your words.
Ay!
I anticipate receiving
Wait na ako yun.
Every death has a place in one of the 9 realms.
Gusto mo yung bote, Nas? May space ka
I
pag
must
gusto mo bote.
remain vigilant. Is it time? For my father. Brother Fenris is still out there somewhere. I anticipate receiving more guests. Is it time? Don't bother trying to fight
Dami na
back.
anak niya dyan, tingnan mo.
Beware.
Alam, papasawa na kayo, Nas. Papasawa na kayo. Nas, tablet.
For my father. I anticipate receiving more guests. In the right direction. I anticipate receiving more guests. Must remain vigilant. I anticipate for my father. I must remain vigilant.
Ah, yun na naman ako. Lagi nila ako list.
I miss my present grave. My power is spent.
Masakit kaya sila. Kailangan ko muna talaga siyang kinid. Isa lang difference kaya panalo ko na isang difference. Oh. Ano kaya ng maligid? Maligid. Ano ba yan? SD no? Kaya pala. GG sila sa combo ng Monarch yun eh. Monarch Rock na tapos ang support lang nila ay si Word Slayer. Eh parehas slow naman yung isang yun. Oo. Napatay ko kaya na napatay si Richard Dag. Kaya harap si Richard Dag sa hindi baka level 6 kanina eh. Hindi ko alam. Kala ko may trabaho ka. Ay! Menes, musta ka pala mga isda mo? Dami kong grouping eh. Grouping na naman ang akin eh. Anak na ulit. Oo, meron na ulit. Yung mga ano na to eh, yung mga anak na to eh. May natirang 8, tapos nanganak ulit ng mga 10. Oh, yun lang naman ang isda ko, gloopy lang naman ang akin eh. Pag dumami ang akin, bibigyan kita kahit mga 10. Ano titira sa'yo ay? Ano titira? Ano pang mga ano mo? May karpa ka? Ano mo yung karpa mo? Pinagsama mo karpa tsaka ano? Ano pang iba mo? Beta. Di ba pang malamig yung karpa? Okay lang kahit sa mainit. O, di ba pang malamig ang karpa? Ano bang iyo? Di ba tropical lang iyo? Ay, mainit din. Kahit saan. Forest, tapos ako ay ako pag-arak na kaya. Hindi na tanong prairie. Ito na nga lang ako. Bakit? Tanong mo sa mga kaya, no? Bubbles. And what? And?
So feliz de estar aí.
Ano problema nito?
E você